Yo, 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 what's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are here, Traveling Eddie and Johnny Hollywood here, or Johnny Gambino. We're having fun in Medellín, La 70. We just got off the metro and we're going to explore. We're going to go look for some food. How you liking Medellín so far?
I love it.
Love it, right?
The weather's fantastic. It's nice and warm. Every day's getting better.
Excellent. Let's go and see what we got going on. And look, the typical chiva, Pueblito Paisa. That's a chiva right there. We call them chiva. And you can rent them, hire them, and with your friends, a lot of people, and have that party scene in December or any time of the year. That is a typical old transportation vehicle. They used to do, and they still use them in small towns in Antioquia and around the country to transport people out in the countryside. Now, guys, remember, you can subscribe to the channel. Subscription is free. Hit the notification bell button to get more notifications. And let's keep going. We got hotels around here wherever you want to stay and enjoy it. You got cheap food. You want to buy like a hot dog here, 3,000 pesos. That's like 75 cents at this moment. And you got juice for 2,500 pesos. That's about another 50 cents. So a lot of cheap stuff. Yeah. Look, guys. And remember what I told you, that you can see the religious things on the back of these chivas, a virgin or whatever, or Jesus Christ. And this one is from La Pequeña Lulu. That's what they call it. Now, if you are a small group, you can hire one of these. Look at the phone number, right? There's the phone number, and you can talk to them if you talk Spanish or whatever. And this is good for a few people. Nice. Sit there for like a good 8 or 10 people. You don't have to rent a big one. And you got the Facebook and Twitter thing, Chivas Rumba. So check it out here on La 70. And a lot of restaurants where you can eat food. So they got this old one, Colombia. This is December. Now, if you like dancing salsa music, merengue, and whatever, you come to this nightclub here. That is 2 floors, called Caña Brava on La 70. Here, it's only 2 blocks away from the metro station. You can't miss it. Right next to Burrito Land, Nuevos Burros, if you like the Mexican food. Now, if you guys are looking for tours, they offer tours to Guatapé every day. Piedra El Peñol, the reservoir, the man-made reservoir, La Reserva, La Represa, Los Zócalos in terms of the town of Guatapé, the replica of the Peñol town that was flooded, and they relocated the people to the new town, and this is a replica of the old town and the church. So you can talk to these people, come here and look for your reservation and book a tour. Now, guys, remember the other day, if you saw the video about Noche Las Velitas, hit me up if you want me to just accompany you around here and everything, and you want my service for that. Oh, you got the little thing, the flyer. You got the flyer for the tour. There you go. It's in English too. Awesome. So hit me up if you want to. My cell phone number in Colombia is 302-321-3268. And I'll leave it in the description box and all that. And I'm a fluent speaker in Spanish and in English, of course. English is my first language. So I'm American. I'm Colombian American, to be clear. Mom and dad are Colombian, and they lived in the States for 50 years. And I was born and raised in the States. And I've been living here for a long time now, and I love it. So hit me up. Okay, guys, we just crossed San Juan Avenue. La 70 crosses it, and we keep going, and you find a lot of bars, restaurants, and nightclubs. There are famous nightclubs down this way, like 3 blocks over, La Chismosa, and I don't know what else. We'll see it in a moment. Okay, the restaurant, the nightclub is Fonda. La Chismosa is right over there, La Chismosa. And we're walking towards the university, La UPV. So if you guys like this, give it a like. If you like this so far, this will help out the video get out to more people. And leave comments down below. So, you know, we're having fun. We're enjoying it. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Medellín. Here in December, so it's nice. It's awesome. So, until next time, right? You like this? Hit me up. Did you like the walk?
I loved it.
You loved it. We're still walking, but, you know, I'm asking the question like that.
Yeah.
John is enjoying it.
It's good exercise.
Good exercise. And Mike, John's brother. What's up, Mikey?
Mikey, what's up, Big Mike?
Big Mike. All right. Take care.